Everyone. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Markdown syntax, and there are many applications of a Markdown syntax. Nowadays, many applications like Stack Overflow, GitHub, they allow user to write in Markdown syntax to write for the user interaction, right? Apart from that, there are some blog writing website like this Hashnode. They also follow this Markdown syntax. Also, you can see on the GitHub, you need to write readme.md markdown. That is also MD means markdown. So here you will need these markdown syntax, and therefore you should know the syntax of markdown language. So let us see. It's not very tough. It's very easy. There are maximum 7 to 8 syntax only. So let us see one by one. So for that, I have created a readme.md file. MD means markdown in one of my folder. And here I am previewing it also in the right hand side. Okay, so first we start with headings. So for the big heading, just write single hash heading 1. You see, with heading 1, it is giving underline also, but for other headings, it will not give the underline. Now heading 2, you see, right? Okay, I have written in capital, so it is looking a little bit bigger. Okay, one more thing, you need to give a space after hash. Okay, heading 3. Okay, I think you got the point. Now for writing the paragraph, you just write it. Okay, you don't need to mention anything else. Just start writing. It will keep on writing paragraph. Okay. Then let's move to the next part. If you want to bold some text or a word, just write double dot. It will bold that word. Right. There is one more syntax, which is double underscore, 2 times underscore, and then bold. You can use any one of them, right? Now, here after heading 1, it is giving underline. So what if you want underline for ourselves also? So for that, you can write 3 times underscore or 3 times hash. Sorry, star mark. This will also give underline, right? Now for italic, again, single star only. It will create italic, or single underscore. Right? So you can use any one of them. There is no advantage of one over other. Just choose one. Okay, now let's see how to write list. Let's first start with unordered list. So unordered list, you can simply write by writing minus sign. It will give you unordered list. If you want indentation, just press tab and then the rest of the items. Okay. Now for ordered list, just write number 1 and then dot. Number 2. For indentation, just press tab. You see, I have written 1 here, but the syntax is so clever, it will take it as 1 and 2 because it knows that we are writing an ordered list, so it should be 2. Okay, but we will never do that. Why would we? Right, so these are the list. Now let us see how to insert a link. So to insert a link, you need to follow this format. So the bracket, these are bracket, right? and in bracket you need to write the name that you want to show on the screen, and here you will write the address. Okay, this will convert this home into Google into a link, and on clicking it, it will go to google.com. Also, if you want that if someone hover on this home button or this word, it should show where it is going to take us. So you can write that also. Now you see, it will show Google. Okay, so this is how we insert link into the Markdown syntax. Now, another thing, let's insert images. So first we will insert image from online resource. So the syntax is similar, just write this exclamation mark, and the rest of the syntax similar as inserting the link. Okay, so let's insert it. Let's learn code online mascot. So let's not write mascot, and we will write its address directly. So what is the address? I have it in another file. Okay, so right now I do not remember it. Let's find another. Okay, I remember it, www. Okay, this is not the right resource. Okay, let us see. Let us find any mascot. Okay, let's see this mascot. Copy image address. Okay, so let's see. Let's see, will that work or not? You see, on copying that address, it is showing that mascot here. Well, the address is too big. It is taking my whole space, but you got the point, right? So we are getting that mascot here. Let's move to the next. Inserting images from local storage. So for that same thing, just write your image name. I'm writing just image, and then here this address. Now, how come? So first, like you're opening this VS Code, so you must be opening some folder. Okay, so just use the same dot notation. Okay, and you will get your things. Why it is not showing? It should show me some suggestions, but right now it's not showing me. Let me check. Do I have any images here or not? Yes, I have some images. So I can see I have this image 1.png directly in this folder. So I can directly write it. It should come. It's not coming. Okay, I think we need to remove it. Then only it will work. No, okay, I got the point. We have written it wrong. We have to write like that. Okay, so if the image is in same folder, just write 1.png and the image is here. Okay, if you want to scroll through another folder, so write ./assets, and then we have another image. Okay, so you see, this is how you can upload image from local storage also. Okay, now apart from that, if you want something like that, like learn code online, you see this beautiful effect. It is coming here. This is because of this greater than sign, greater than or less than, whatever you can call it. It is, there is no relation right now. Right, so I think that is all. That's all for the Markdown syntax. Okay, just use them whenever you are creating a Markdown file for your GitHub. and your GitHub readme file will look beautiful, and it will attract many people and maybe some recruiters. Okay, so that's what my goal is, to learn Markdown. I have learned it, and then now I will push all my code onto the GitHub and write some readme file about all those projects. Okay, so thank you.